Hello everyone, welcome to another video on my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to mine Bitcoin on your cell phone. It is important to note that these applications that mine cryptocurrencies do not pay a lot of money. That is, you need to install the application and forget about it for a while. The ideal would also be to have several Bitcoin mining applications on your cell phone. This would help to multiply your earnings and get more significant money. Before we start the video, I wanted to ask you to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and leave a like on this video. Let's go to the tutorial. The first thing you need to do is open the Google Play Store. You will search for this application here. It is very easy to find it. It is available for several countries. The good part about this application is that it is very intuitive. Even for those who understand absolutely nothing about the subject can navigate through it very easily. Opening the application, we come across several cryptocurrencies that we already know, and you can see that Bitcoin is right in first place. So this app not only offers mining for Bitcoin, but it also offers mining for SBT, Phantom, PancakeSwap, and others. Click on Bitcoin, and you will see that your balance will start to increase automatically. In my case, I have already activated mining. A button that says Start Mining will appear on your cell phone. Another really cool thing about this app is that you can mine all cryptocurrencies at the same time without losing speed. So you can activate mining for all cryptocurrencies in the app. To withdraw money is very easy. We have to click on the right button at the bottom of the screen and withdraw money. Note that it asks for a minimum amount to withdraw. The application asks for 10 coins to withdraw. We can see that I still have 0 coins because I installed it a short time ago. The last important piece of information I wanted to leave you with is that in all these Bitcoin mining apps for mobile, you will always find paid plans to speed up mining. Never pay for any of these plans to speed up mining, as this most of the time does not work and is not profitable. That's basically it, guys. I really hope I've helped you in some way. That's basically it, guys. I really hope I've helped you in some way. I will bring more videos with other cryptocurrency mining applications. Subscribe to the channel and like this video to receive the next videos. See you soon and thank you very much.